Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create TikTok photo slides. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the TikTok. And you need to update your TikTok application. As you can see, my TikTok is updated. Then you simply need to do is to go back and open TikTok application and click on the plus icon in the bottom and click on uploads and select multiple pictures. So I am going to select this picture for example and click on next. Wait for few seconds. Here you can see that different options. Click on next. And now you can see that I selected multiple pictures. Here you can add the description and click on post. And after that, multiple pictures will start in slideshow manner. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.